Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing this Netgear Gigabit Ethernet switch. This is the 300 series. This is just a very inexpensive and effective way of managing your network, I guess, splitting out your Ethernet. So here we have the installation guide. I'm not really going to talk too much about this. And then because I'm in Canada, of course, there's a French version. So put that to the side. And the box contains that and our network switch. This is the 8-port network switch and the power adapter. I plan on using this for a small LAN party and then maybe for future home networking applications. But for now, that's just a quick unboxing. So here's the switch. This is the GS308. As you can see, it's got 8 ports. This is an unmanaged switch. It's got activity lights, power light, and on the back you have your power inlet. I'll see if that'll focus. I'll just read it for you. It's 12 volt, 0.5 amps. There's a Kensington lock and a little on-off switch. Nothing too important on the back there, just the serial number. Yeah, as you can see, there's some wall mounting options for this. No rack mount options built in, but I'm sure more creative people could 3D print some kind of bracket to put this in like a 10-inch wide rack or something like that. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Netgear. I think it was GS308. Yeah, GS308. Seems like a pretty good piece of kit, so I'm hoping to get lots of use out of this guy. Thanks. Bye.